everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Colour in shade Dark Cherry. I bought this from Tesco and it was 2 for £9. Inside the box you'll get developer, colour cream, conditioner, gloves and instructions. If you've ever used this before you'll know that it smells amazing and it's really fruity and fresh. This is the first time I've used this particular colour, but I have used this brand before. The Garnier instruction leaflet is always very detailed and it even tells you to unscrew the cap of the applicator bottle just in case you couldn't figure that out for yourself. It tells you here to immediately apply to unwashed hair and leave for around 25 minutes. Just to be on the safe side, I'll be leaving it on for around 35 minutes. Obviously, if you've used this colour before, you only have to leave it to develop for between 10 and 25 minutes. Once the dye's been on for 35 minutes, I'll rinse the hair until the water runs clear and then apply the conditioner and leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes. As usual, this box has a perforated circle in the back and we use this to stop the bottle from falling over. Once you've used most of the product, you can place the bottle in upside down. This will ensure that you get to use the rest of the product without much hassle. This is what my hair looked like before, about 5 different shades of purple and red, and unwashed as usual. I find that colour sticks to the hair better when it's not been washed in a while. As you can see, the top is a lot darker than the bottom. That's because I had my hair bleached a few years ago and there's still bleach on the ends, so the colour fades out really fast. This is what it looks like after. I must admit that this is a lot darker than what I was expecting. Once I dried this and looked in the mirror, I actually got a fright because of how dark it was, but you can really see the colour when I'm sitting in the natural light. Obviously I haven't straightened my hair or anything. If I did, it would be a lot shinier than this. Let me know in the comments section what you think of this colour, and if you liked this video please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, bye!